really cold day in the top. Me, I'm going to be get freeze. But I have to find Jessica. Jessica, where are you?
At the gift shop.
Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm Nora Crystal. And today, me and Jessica are going to be buying some pet. Jessica, where are you? How dare you? Teleport me.
Now I have to play some game.
Okay, so all you guys know that the new pet in the top me has a they call the Christmas pet. Like have some cool toys that coming and new pet wear with a lot of kind of the cool pets. Oh, see, look at this furry, it's so adorable. It's so pretty. So I already have a snowman. It looks kind of creepy. Cause when you pick up, the hands are going to be leg. Oh my god. Jessica? Well, I think Jessica can record anymore, maybe. Only me. Okay, let's continue. So today I'm going to be buy all the things and pets. Except for the fruffery. Cause the fruffery is a robot. How dare you a robot? I don't have any money to buy it. It's 800 robot. Oh my god. Okay, so let's buy the toy first. Oh my god. I really spent a lot of time to get this. 30,000, 8,304. Yeah, oh my god. It's a furries. I don't know, but my snowman is acting like a baby. It's called the Peppermint Dizzy. The next one is Candy Can Chew Toy. Oh, the candy can. Go. Man. I think he's eating. No, she is no woman. Buy holiday breadstick chew toy. 400. It's so a lot of candy on cookie. It's okay. I buy it. It's a bread. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's called the ice earring. The ice wing. The ice crown. Wow. I think this pet wear maybe we can buy later. I don't know who to put the pet wear for, but anyways, I think we already have a snowman, so I think I have to buy this I have to buy the Yeti. You guys know the Yeti is really strong. Look at how buff. It looks kind of creepy. Yeti, I love you. Yeti is so adorable. Look how cute he is. Oh, also the lens. But look at it works. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Also guys, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Turn your grade, please. Thank you for supporting. And also please like my channel. We'll be having more fun videos of any game. Okay, so the next is the lens. I don't know what this pet is, but it's kind of scary on me. Oh my god, you're so adorable, lens. How dare you adorable than me? Yeah. It's really cute, super duper. And actually the snow oil, Mr. Snow Oil, I think you're too expensive than other. I spend everything because of you, Mr. Snow Oil. But I guess now we have to buy this Mrs. Snow Oil because she's so adorable, guys. I don't know, no matter what, she's so cute. Forever like her. And well, guys, you can comment any Roblox thing, so maybe I could read your comment and play the game. Oh, I think if I get around the subscriber, around 50 member subscriber, I'm going to be doing some nice, the cool, great giveaway for you guys. So I think if I get a 50 subscriber, I'm trying to going to give away you guys some neon pet like Triceratops, neon cat or neon dog or neon lemon or T-Rex too. If you guys subscribe, it's only waiting for 4 people to it. So I hope you guys going to give away. I'm going to roll down to see your username. Don't forget to comment your Roblox username, and don't forget that if I get 50 subscribers, I'm so excited for the 100 too. But thank you guys so much. So I think now I'm going to be buying Snow Oil. It's really cute, adorable, nice, and when it's neon, it's turned to like blue, so I could buy it right now. It's still, I need it. It's blue, and I wanna tell you guys that I'm the blue collector. I'm a blue pet collector because I love to collect all the blue pets in the top of me. So in Christmas time, there has more blue pets, so I have to collect them. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but if it has like a Christmas egg again, that was really fun because I can hatch eggs, catch some nice eggs again. Like the last Christmas have some trick fox like swan, and there's more. It's not only this, also the robin. I make it neon. It's so adorable. Okay guys, so now it's time for buying a Snow Oil. Oh my god, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to buy it, guys. I did it. Oh my god, but my cookies start to crying right now. I spent my cookie on this guy. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, look at this. But I don't have a rye potion yet, so I have to trade this for a rye potion maybe. Yeah, maybe. Okay, and the last pet is the moss oak. It's like the oak from the forest. I don't know, but when the cold winter has this pet too, they try to help people to get things. So, I have to buy this moss oak. It's really big, thick. Oh my god, it's spent a lot to buy this. Wow! Look how much oak it is. Now the last pet at least I need is the frost furry. So guys, I think I have to buy one more Snow Oil because I have to try to trading my Snow Oil for a normal furry. I don't know if I can get it, but I'll try when I'm going to get it. Okay, buy one more. Woo! With the pet where I can buy later, it's too expensive. Look how many pets did I spend? It's all the 5 pets. Remember that if you get this pet, it's going to be so lucky because everyone going to be treat you a nice pet. Okay, so let's going to see it. Okay guys, so right now we are in a dark me again, but I'm trying to trading my snow oil for a frozen, so let's see it. Okay, so in the ground here, I'm trying trading for frozen. Come on, I hope someone will going to be get it. Okay guys, so I think no one will going to be I already tried to trade a lot, but no one. I talk a lot. Okay guys, so I think I have to put the vibration to my pet and I have to end this video today. Yeah guys, so I think that's all our video today. Okay, so I'm going to be put a right potion to a snow oil. Okay, are you ready? Forever. Okay, so I'm going to fit. Oh my god. How cute, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, guys, this is so adorable. That's why I have to find a lot of vibration for all my pets. Okay, so guys, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to click the subscribe button, also like button, say something in the comments down below, and don't forget that the giveaway is going to be coming soon, guys. So I think that's our video. Bye, guys. Wait, a rice snow oil for fly snow oil. Ask that below. I don't know, guys. So bye. Okay, guys. So bye.